In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer Google Play balance to PhonePe and whether or not it is possible to do this. In order to solve this issue, what we can do is open up the Play Store and in here, click on our icons at the top right corner of the screen. We will have access to this menu and then we can head into the Help and Feedback section. In here, they have help resources available in order to solve any problems that we might be having. First, what we might try to do is look for transfer balance, and as you can see, if we look for transfer balance, the only options listed are these: add to and check your Google Play balance, transfer Play balance from your child's account, learn about refunds, add cash, and get started with Google Play. Now, of course, none of these help us on transferring the funds that we have on Google Play to PhonePe. Even if we look for PhonePe directly here, no help article pops up. Sadly, as of today, Google Play does not offer the option to directly transfer funds that you have into other services. And while it does list PhonePe over here, it will not allow you to transfer your funds. It will simply take you to the PhonePe app page. There is no workaround to this, and sadly, as it stands, your Google Play balance is locked to your Play account and you need to spend it within the Google Play services. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it is impossible to transfer your Google Play funds anywhere else. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.